In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Discord keybinds, whether you're streamlining your voice controls or just want quicker access to common actions. Setting keybinds in Discord is simple and makes a big difference in day-to-day use. Start by opening Discord on your desktop. This works the same way on both Windows and Mac. Once Discord is open, look toward the bottom left of the app and click the little gear icon next to your username. That opens User Settings, which is where all your customization lives. In the left sidebar, scroll down until you see App Settings, then click Keybinds. This page is dedicated to the shortcuts you create. If you've never set one before, the list may be empty, and that's completely fine. To add your first shortcut, click Add a Keybind. You'll see a new line with two important parts: the Action drop-down and the box where you'll set the key or combination. Click the Action drop-down to choose what you want the keybind to do. For example, Push to Talk is great if you prefer to hold a key only while speaking, while Toggle Mute lets you tap once to mute and tap again to unmute. Toggle Deafen mutes both your mic and incoming audio, which can be handy if you need a quick break. You'll also find options like Toggle Streamer Mode, Push to Mute for temporarily silencing your mic while you hold a key, Toggle VAD to switch voice activity detection on or off, Toggle Overlay to show or hide the in-game overlay, and even navigation shortcuts like Navigate Back or Forward. Once you've chosen the action, click the Keybind box next to it. Now press the key or the combination you want to assign. For combos like Ctrl plus Shift plus M, just press them all together. On Mac, you can use Command where it makes sense. Pick something you won't hit by accident, especially for actions like Deafen or Streamer Mode. If the combo is already in use by your system or a game, consider adjusting it to avoid conflicts. When you're happy with your setup, simply close the Settings window. There's no separate Save button. Discord applies your keybinds immediately. Test your new shortcut right away to make sure it feels natural and does exactly what you expect. If it's not quite right, hop back into User Settings, return to Keybinds, and adjust the action or the key combination until it fits your workflow. With just a few thoughtful choices, you'll navigate and control Discord faster and more confidently.